Hello everyone. Myself, Mrs. Pradnya Sawant, working as an assistant professor in Sant Raul Maharaj Mahavidyalaya, Kudal, Department of Physics, and I have designed one MOOC course on microprocessor basic programming. And I would like to welcome you all in this course. I have designed this course by keeping some objectives in my mind. Course objectives are to introduce students with the architecture and operation of microprocessor, to understand basic concepts of microprocessors and their essential functionalities, to familiarize the students with the programming in assembly language and describe the purpose of microprocessor internal registers, to provide strong foundation for designing real-world applications using microprocessors and microcontroller. Course outcomes are, at the end of this course, student will able to explain the microprocessor's internal architecture and its operation. Student can apply knowledge and demonstrate programming proficiency using the various addressing modes. Student can compare accepted standards and guidelines to select appropriate microprocessor and microcontroller to meet specified performance requirement. Student can analyze assembly language program. Student can evaluate assembly language program and download the machine code that will provide solutions to real world control problems. This course is of 1 month. Students who pass HSC from any stream are eligible for this course. This course is free, but you can get certificate after fulfilling certain criteria. I, Mrs. Pradnya Sawant, is course instructor as well as course coordinator. Course outline is like we know about microprocessor. Microprocessors are widely used extensively in the design of any computing facility. It contains unit, which is arithmetic and logic unit for calculation, fast storage, memory in terms of register, and associated control logic to get instruction from memory and execute them. A microprocessor is a controlling unit of a microcomputer fabricated on a small chip capable of performing arithmetic and logic unit operation and communicating with the other devices connected to it. This course will start with the discussion of simple microprocessor 8085. In week 1, we will cover introduction, historical perspective, organization of microprocessor based system, how does microprocessor works, machine language, assembly language and high level language. In week 2, we will cover how to write and execute assembly language program, 8085 bus organization, 8085 programming model, the 8085 microprocessor pin connection diagram and function of each pin. After that, we will look at a detailed look of 8085 microprocessor. In week 3, we will cover some basic definitions such as instruction, opcode, operand, addressing modes and 8085 instruction set. In week 4, we will perform practical on mobile app by loading and executing the program. Week 5 is devoted to evaluation. Mode of conduction. We will be using an online simulator Sim 8085 for simulating our assembly language program. It is very straightforward and simple simulator that allows us to check for flag status, changes in the memory location and register content. Using this simulator, we will understand how assembly instruction affect the internal component of 8085 microprocessor. Course syllabus: introduction, historical perspective, organization of microprocessor based system, how does microprocessor work, machine language, assembly language, high level language, writing and executing an assembly language program, 8085 bus organization, programming model, pin connection diagram, and after that a detailed look at microprocessor, some basic definitions instruction, opcode, operand, addressing modes, the 8085 instruction set. The recommended book, which is used as a reference book, Microprocessor Architecture, Programming and Application with 8085 by author Ramesh Gavkar, 5th edition. Students should know the knowledge of basic electronic components and digital electronics before doing this course. Course evaluation. This course will be evaluated for certificate as follows. We will evaluate this course by considering two components, theory and practical. Theory is for MCQ test and short answer test to check the understanding and knowledge, and practical component as a loading and execution of the program where skill and application part will be assessed. Grading scale is like that: grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, and below grade D you will not get a certificate. Okay, so thank you very much, and looking forward to an enriching experience with you all. Thank you.